Hello students, how are you? You will be fine. I know this and you are preparing for your exam. So today I have come with very important questions, very important issue, that is how to manage your exam. And in that part, the problem is that you miss to solve or attempt all of the questions within time. So let us see. I will discuss one or two questions of physics from the chapter motion in a straight line with you, and we will try to know how should we solve that MCQ quickly, so that we can attempt our paper within time also and prior to the closing time, so that we can scan the answer sheet or OMR sheet that we have done everything correctly. So let us start, students. Our topic is motion in a straight line, and here we have a one MCQ that is also from competitive examination. A cyclist moving on a circular track. A cyclist moving on a circular track of radius 40 meter completes a half revolution in 40 seconds. Its average velocity is, listen again, a cyclist moving on a circular track of radius 40 meter. So there is a circular track and its radius is 40 meter. Completes a half of the revolution in 40 seconds. Half of the revolution means he completes from here to here itself. Half of the revolution in 40 seconds. He takes 40 seconds for it. Now its average velocity is, and they have given you the options 0, 4 pi meter per second, 2 pi meters per second and 8 pi meter per second. So what happens? ज़्यादातर बच्चे क्या सोचते हैं, ओहो क्या फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट थिंग शुड बी क्लियर कि इट शुड बी क्लियर इन योर माइंड. जब एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आएगा तो यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग एक्सेप्ट द क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट. सो टॉपिक कौन सा है, फर्स्ट थिंग इज दिस. देन टॉपिक में से कंसेप्ट कहाँ का है, कौन सा वाला है. देन द फॉर्मूलाज इन द कंसेप्ट कौन कौन से हैं, फॉर्मूले. देन how we have to apply the formula, ये बात आपको तंग करेगी. Then note one thing, note what is given to you in the question statement. Note this point, what is given to you in the question statement. And second thing is, this was number 1. Number 2 is what is asked to find, okay, in the question. So these two things you have to note. Then apply the appropriate formula. This is how the formulae are applied and you get your answer. So first you should know the topic, concept and formulae. But when you are taking the exam, these things are to be done within seconds. And if you have practiced a lot of questions, you have done a lot of practice, then you can do it within 1 or 2 seconds. It doesn't require much more time than that. It only requires 1 or 2 seconds. Then whatever is asked and whatever is given in the question, that 2 points should be related to apply the formula. इस तरह आपको आंसर करने होते हैं. So take a screenshot of this so that you can have an idea how to solve the MCQs, especially the numericals. Next, now the question is, I think आपने सब note कर लिया होगा. Now I am going to tell you how we have to solve this question. First, you know, they have asked to find the average velocity. So Shabash, tell me what is the formula for average velocity. याद करिए जल्दी. What is the formula for average velocity? And I think it's very easy. It is displacement. Shabash. Displacement upon time taken. Shabash. Very good. So, displacement is what? Displacement is displacement here is from this point to this point. From this point to this point. And this is what? R. R plus R is 2R. So it will be 2R upon time taken is what? T. So it will be T. 2R is 2 into 40. 2 into R. 40 meters upon 40 seconds. Because time given is 40 seconds. Now what was given? Displacement was given. This was the thing we have noticed. And second क्या था इसमें कि radius is given और time is given. दोनों दिए हुए हैं. Then it will be 2 meter. Average velocity is 2 meter per second. So our option C is the correct one. Now the point to note, हमने learn क्या करना है, सीखना क्या है इससे कि how quickly we can attempt this question. So let us see, students. What is there that in this question, reading of the question reading, question and answer reading. A cyclist moving on a circular track of radius 40 meter completes a half revolution in 40 seconds. Its average velocity is either 0 or 4 pi or 2 or 8 pi meter per second. So this whole of the question reading took question plus answer options. Reading took 10 seconds. Then what we did, students, उसके बाद हमने क्या किया बताइए मुझे. शाबाश. We have applied the formula. So formula सोचने में let it be कि you took at least 2 seconds. This, then application of this 2 seconds. जिस हिसाब से हमने क्वेश्चन किया है only 2 seconds. And if we have drawn this, you can take it as also 2 seconds. 2, 2, 2. And कितना हो गया? 16. 2, 2, 2 and 10 seconds. 16 seconds. And then or you can say, if you know this or this, ultimately to mark the answer on OMR sheet. Suppose you took 4 seconds. Then total time taken or consumed in attempting such type of MCQ is maximally 20 seconds. So most of the students what they say, हो कैसे होगा, फिजिक्स पार्ट है, फिजिक्स न्यूमेरिकल्स आर वेरी टफ, फॉर्मूला सोचना पड़ता है, एप्लीकेशन कैसे करनी है सोचना पड़ता है, मैथमेटिकल रिलेशनशिप्स है. दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स will use at least 2 to 3 minutes for this, but I have told you that this question can be solved within 20 seconds. So try to be so perfect that such questions take at least 20 to 25 seconds, so that very hard questions will consume a lot of time. Then you will have to spare this time. Whatever time you have saved here, that will be used in solving the very tough questions which might be very less in number in the examination, because most of the questions are moderate and easily solved questions. So this was the technique how we have to solve such MCQs. Okay, now we will try to find out the next question. Now my dear students, we have second question, and the question is that the position of an object moving along x-axis is given by x equals to 80 plus bt square. X equals to 80 plus bt square. Note this, where a equals to 15 centimeter per second and b equals to 3 centimeter per second square. Its instantaneous velocity at t equals to 3 second. 3 second पे कितना? At velocity at 3 second, velocity at 3 second will be instantaneous velocity. Velocity at that time after 3 seconds will be, and your options are 33 centimeter per second, or it is 18 centimeter per second, it is 16 centimeter per second, or it is 32 centimeter per second. Now think how we have to solve this. Shabash, very good, try kariye. Shabash. Velocity is what? You have to find out the velocity. Velocity is what? This is dx upon dt. Am I right? ठीक है ना? Shabash. Then x की value, what is given about x? It is 80 plus bt square. A और b में difference देखिए. Both units are different. This is centimeter per second square and this is centimeter per second. Means both the units are different, so parameters will be different. So how to do now? We have applied the formula. What will be there? It will be a plus 2bt. देखिए करके, शाबाश. Now we know he is saying its instantaneous velocity at t equals to 3 seconds, means at 3 seconds velocity कितनी हो जाएगी? v equals to, शाबाश, कैसे करेंगे बोलो? v equals to 15 plus a is what? 15 plus 2 b is what? 3 t is what? 3 seconds. So it is 15 plus 2 3s are 6 3s are 18 33 centimeter per second. Option A is the right one. Okay, so how much time we took? Now analyze how we have to attempt it and how much time we can take maximally to solve this question. Shabash. question reading and options reading. How much time can you take for that? Question plus options reading. Let it be 10 seconds. No, chalo 15 ले लीजिए. 15 seconds. शाबाश. Then application of formula. कितने सेकंड लगाए इस सारी चीज के लिए? मान लीजिए you used for it maximally 10 seconds. So 10 seconds ये हो गए, 15 seconds ये हो गए. Then what happens? At 3 seconds we have to find out the velocity. Then we have done further calculations. So these calculations maximally, वैसे होगा नहीं इतना टाइम, but इतना टाइम आप लगाओगे नहीं, but maximally let it be 10 seconds. So 10 ये हो गए, 10, 10, 15. Now MCQ, OMR sheet. Correct answer. Marking. You took at least 5 seconds. So, what is there? To attempt this type of question, time taken should be maximally 40 seconds. Note this, 40 seconds में आपको ये सारा क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है, सॉल्व करना है एंड OMR शीट पे मार्क करना है. एंड दिस कैन बी डन सक्सेसफुली. ये मत सोचना कि हाउ हाय कैसे होगा ये. नो नो नो, इट इज टोटली पॉसिबल. ये आप याद करके रखिए. First, mentally you should be prepared to do whatever you want. Then I guarantee you that you will definitely get a top position in whatever exam you are going to take. Okay, students? So today I think the session was very useful and fruitful. So thank you. Bye bye.